A wise foodie once said, "Life is a combination of magic and pasta." Spend 2 hours in Elena Pinelli's kitchen and you'll get your fair share of both. Nestled deep in the rolling hills of the Tuscan countryside, Fontanaro Organic Farm and Villas is more than somewhere to stay. It's a place where the very best of Italy is on display all day, every day. And it's somewhere that allows you to get straight to the heart of Italian livelihood: food. What Elena offers up is not just a cooking class, it's a lesson in lifestyle. Despite its provincial location and values, Fontanaro is leading the way when it comes to sustainable living. Almost everything, from the olive oil to the fruit and vegetables to the honey, is produced naturally on site. Soon they'll even be making their own flour for the pasta.
All the ingredients are extremely important because we are what we eat.
Like any true Italian home, wine is a big part of Fontanaro. In addition to their own vineyards and Sangiovese wine, sommelier Elena has an extensive cellar, and there are plenty of opportunities to sample.
And now we have to toast because we are 3 women together and we toast to life and to the slow living life. Slow living, cheers.
The classes are simple, and there's a serious sense of satisfaction that comes from hand-making your own food. Elena Pinelli's kitchen is everything you'd hope for in Tuscany. Warm, chaotic, a whole lot of fun. And I guarantee you, it will be the best pasta you've ever eaten.